Good morning Philippines, good morning you guys. Anyway, kung bakit nag-video ako kasi magtitinda ako ngayon. May I have an offer, the best product, not really expensive. And the good thing here is free shipping. So I have here detergent powder. This is worth 380 pesos, free shipping. And I am the one to deliver it on your doorstep. So this is 3 kilos guys. So one bucket for 380 pesos. So there, kapag gusto niyo mag-order, just up or leave the comment below. Alright? So there we go. I have two options, which is lavender and then also red. And this is manufactured by Ariel product. I mean Ariel. So one bucket, puno na siya. As you can see, I'll show you the detergent bar. There. So punong-puno talaga siya. As in, ang bango. So, I already have, ginamit ko na siya before. This is proven, maganda ang product na to. This is worth 380 pesos. Free shipping. I am the one to deliver it on your doorstep. So, there, next item, which is detergent liquid. This is worth 350 pesos. 1 gallon, guys. Ang laki, sobra. Okay? So, kung sa gusto kumuha, mag-order, please leave the comment or just an up. Then I am the one to contact you, okay? And then, next one is fabric conditioner. This is also the same price, which is 350 pesos. So, we have two options, blue, and the next one is pink. There. So just only for 350 pesos, free shipping. And then also I am the one to deliver it on your doorstep. Please up or leave the message below kasi para ma-set na natin yung schedule kung kailan ko i-deliver right away, okay? And the last item, which is this washing liquid. Okay, this is dishwashing liquid, guys. Just only worth 350 pesos, the same thing, the same manner, and I am the one to deliver it on your doorstep, free shipping. So please contact me right away para ma-set up na natin yung schedule para and then malalaman ko kung saan area kayo nakalocate, okay? And this is just around Poblacion Turunan North, Cotabato, not more than, not beyond the place kasi hindi na natin kaya i-deliver na ganun kalayo, okay? Of course, for the security purposes, para safe din tayo, of course, yun na iniiwasan natin. But anyway guys, dito sa around Turunan Poblacion, guys, Poblacion Turunan North, Cotabato, please contact me right away para ma-set up na natin yung schedule for sa gusto mag-order, okay? Alright, so sa gusto mag-order mula sa abroad, then may pamilya kayo dito sa Pilipinas, lalo na dito sa Poblacion Turunan North, Cotabato, please contact me. This is, maganda siya, makakasave pa kayo. Aside of that, may sabon kayo, may baldi pa kayo. So, every bucket, again, this is just only for 380 pesos. Free shipping, I am the one to deliver it on your doorstep. Alright? So, cash-to-cash basis, walang utang, kasi utang din ang puhunan dito. So, there, we have a time limit para mabayad namin agad yung item na ang ibabayad namin dito. Okay? So guys, I'm very happy na sana mag-message ako right away. Thank you for your time guys. Good morning.